Hello B-E-A-U-TIFUL human beings, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Maggie Reneé, and today I'll be showing you how I moved into my Juilliard dorm room at the start of my junior year. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, I've actually graduated with my bachelor's degree from Juilliard with honors, and I'm going to be pursuing my master's in the fall. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see more on how I live my life at Juilliard and as a singer in New York City. So I am absolutely obsessed with the final result of my room. I cannot even tell you. I cannot wait for you to see it. But basically in my room I have a skinny closet, as you can see, a beautiful view. And I have 4 sets of drawers. Since moving to NYC, I have also acquired extra multi-purpose storage and shelving and definitely use it to my advantage to keep all of my stuff together. Right now you can see me moving around my room. I didn't love the setup with the bed against the wall, so I decided to move it against the window. Just so you guys know though, I have been planning this room out for months. I mean, it's just redonkulous, but it turned out exactly the way I wanted it, TBH. So I'm so happy with the result. I put the bed against the window. My desk is gonna go up right now, as you can see, against this wall right here in the corner. Because the wall from my closet does stick out a little bit, so I have some room for it to fit in there like a little jigsaw puzzle. And I also pulled out the little set of drawers from my desk to use as a nightstand and have all of my little products that I need right next to my bed there, and my remotes and electronics and stuff, which you'll see later. And then finally I set the 2 drawers next to each other, as you can see, like a little couch, which I'm going to put a blanket on so that my friends can come over and sit right on top without having to sit on my bed or feel uncomfortable. Okay, so pardon the mess. I hung up some of my clothing or whatever stuff to go on my desk because I didn't want to wear it. I am unpacking currently my first 2 suitcases because it has my stuff. See, I'm putting my dresses in there, other stuff in there, and then I have my 2 bags. I made my bed just like the comforter sheet so that I could lay on it. My pillow was already made from the last program I was just at. Then I hung up 2 of my storage container thingies, which are really nice. That one's for shoes and that one's for clothes, and then I have a 3rd one that I'm going to put next to that, so I'm going to move those things over. But this is ultimately the final result of everything that I just took out of the closet that's been in storage all summer. Look at the beautiful view. I'm so excited to look at those sunsets every single night. These sunsets are absolutely stunning here over the Hudson River. And yeah, so I'm going, it's a lot of work. I don't even know what to do. But I'm going to go in, and I'm gonna continue unpacking and moving the suitcases slowly but surely under my bed so that they can stay there. And we'll go from there. We're gonna put my stuff away. Okay. I'm about to go back to packing, but I just wanted to show you guys the amazing view that I have this year. It makes me so happy. I'm going to be seeing this every single day. Hello everyone! Okay, so I just had a full day at work and I just got back. I work in the admissions office at Juilliard. This is day 2 now of packing. I'm sorry I didn't finish yesterday. I was exhausted, guys. My jewelry box, which will be covered in Juilliard, that's my name tag for Juilliard. Yay. But this hanger I actually got from my last program. Somebody was giving it away. It's a nice little magnet, and I stuck it on top of the mirror because it's a cute little memory. And then this mirror I actually got from the, like my socks. Yes, socks. Juilliard students were giving a bunch of their stuff away, so I was just like, why not? I'll take a mirror. My dad also is like a genius, and he added these things so I could add extra jewelry things to it. This is the 2nd mirror. Hello! You can only see my, there it is. So that I'm gonna clean, and then I'm gonna put it against this wall above my little type of couch thingies. Makeup, jewelry, that came out of there, some more electronics. And then this is my bed. I made it last night, but I obviously slept in it, so I have to make it again. Usually I make my bed every single day, but today I had to run to work and I only got 4 hours of sleep. There's my penguin. His name is Orly, which is short for Orlovsky. I know, it's very extra, but he's my little opera penguin. He's my son, and my mom calls him her grandson, and it's really cute. There's Orly's little brother. and he is so adorable. Actually, I haven't named him. I should figure out a name for him. I just call him Orly Jr. for now, but I'll figure out a real name. But I love how it's matching, and he looks like he's waving hello! And then above that I have a gift that my friend made me when I was younger, and I just saw it and it has my name on it, so I decided to bring it with me. Oh, God. I'm so blessed. Literally, how could anyone feel unblessed while they're here? Like, it's so gorgeous. And then there's the Met and Lincoln Center. Then Central Park is over there. You can see that. You can see that too, but it's just kind of cut off right now in the angle that I'm standing. Anyways, so this is the bag of electronics and hanging stuff. It's got a couple of other things. By the way, I'm not being sponsored to do this, but these guys at the 99-cent store, $1 for 3 of these, $1. And these are so professional to have if you're ever in a situation, like even after you brush your teeth, sometimes you know, like your breath just won't be like the greatest in the entire world. So you just literally dab one dot into your mouth and it just makes your breath smell perfectly fresh, and like it actually works. I really recommend these if you guys want to seem like a professional person and just smell good all the time and not ever have an issue of like, oh no, I'm trying to not talk because, you know, breath. A bunch of this other stuff I got from the 99-cent store. See, there's my third. So I have 3 of those. These are just face masks that they were giving away at a store for free. These are my lights! I can't wait to hang them up. There's a remote in there to control them. And then these are my other lights that my daddy gave me. He had them just in the house, I guess from like previous Christmases or something. So we didn't really buy anything. I just wanted to have extra lights to hang up around the room. I'm going to hopefully decorate the whole thing and get them all the way around, and we'll see how that works. I want to put some around my mirror too, and this one as well once it's hung up. So we'll see that's how that works. And then this is probably what I'm going to use to hang the mirror. Tape, just in case something doesn't work out. Oh my god, there's a 4th one. I told you I love these things. And I bought these like Velcro things again for $1, and these will just help with like if I have any wires or... This is for my diffuser. I also got a free diffuser. We were at this like hotel thing and they were just like giving these away, and my parents got one and I got one, and I absolutely am so excited to use it. They gave us this, and then it came with these 3 bottles. There's lavender, lemon, and then what is this one? I don't even remember now. Eucalyptus, yeah. But that should give a good smell to my room. And these foam mounting squares. These also will help with whatever I need to stick to the wall and not break the wall. Just a quick update on these. They do work, but you do have to be very careful taking them off because they will break the wall if you're not. I put a whole setup of water bottles and napkins and then mini wheats and frosted flakes because those are my favorite cereals. And right now the cafeteria isn't open, so we don't have food options. I'm gonna put these 2 things in there so we're not a mess. And then I'm gonna close it. I put my speaker up there, if you can see that. Bye! I got so lucky. I cannot even begin to describe how extremely grateful I am that all of this worked out in the most perfect way possible. Oh, the light turned off. Okay. I don't know what God came down and blessed me today, but it's just hallelujah is in order. I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm just extremely happy, and here's the tour. So this is my room. This is gonna be my junior year. It's gonna be decorated eventually with RA stuff. And this is what it looks like. There's my favorite little bear that my sweet mate from last year, Gioma, gave to me. I hung up my mirror. I have all my little essentials. These aren't everything. I thought the height was gonna bother me, but now that everything fits underneath and I actually have this couch here, I don't feel like it needs to be raised because it's like the perfect height with the nightstand. Oh, and also the mattress is brand new, and I have a mattress topper, really pretty. I mean, these things are so soft. These are from the camp I was at too, and they let us keep them, and it's just, oh, such soft material. So So I'm gonna be sleeping real good. Life is not about finding oneself, it is about creating oneself, and I totally agree with that. I want to add a lot more pictures, I just don't have them yet, but I will. And then I have the inspiration that I was a visitor once at the Metropolitan Opera and did a coaching there. My grandma gave me this lovely little makeup pouch with Lash Out Loud on it. It's super cute and I love it. My iPad has a brand new case. Thank you to one of my actually music supporters. He wanted to send me a gift. He sent me a necklace a while back and some earrings, and I just told him, like, well, the only thing I need is stuff for my music, so he sent me this case. I have my chargers facing up so that it's so much easier to access them. I have my 2 remotes, and then I have my back scratcher just for funsies and my water bottle. I have my candle, which I've been dreaming about. I really wanted one of these color changing candles. I don't know why. So I have my 3 fragrances, the eucalyptus, the lavender, and the lemon. And I'm so excited to use this. I haven't started it yet because I don't know the instructions and I want to make sure I know how to use it before I do, but it's super wonderful. And there's Orly again, sleeping right next to me. And then his little brother, Orly Jr., still haven't named him. Darn it, I'll figure it out. But that's ultimately my room. And now I want to show you the moment that we've all been waiting for. We're about to go dark. Dun, 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 na, 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 na. Get ready, guys. And I actually seen this for the first time too in the dark because I haven't seen it actually. So we're gonna be doing this together. Oh, look. There we go. Oh, guys, I love it. Oh my god. All of the work that I put into this. Look, that's my M. That's my M, it's my name. Isn't that cute? I put that there because I had a little bit of wiring left, but it's so... Okay, I'm in love. I absolutely love it. Guys. Okay. Well, that's my room. It's all worked out so well. My dream room, guys. We're lit. I'm so happy with the way that everything turned out. I don't think that it couldn't have gone any better, guys. Beyond words. I can't even describe how happy I am. I'm so thrilled. And I'm glad you could all be a part of this journey to see how my room turns out. We're gonna go now. Say bye, Orly! Bye! If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see what I'm going to be doing next in New York City and at Juilliard. Also, please hit that like button and comment down below because all of that stuff helps my channel. Sending you all so much love and hope you're all staying safe. I love you and I'll see you next time.